and they stopped communicating with us. And like I said before, we actually had to take them to court to get them evicted, to get them out the house. Property doesn't allow renting, so we have to move it.
I want you to look in the description of this particular video, and guys, there's going to be a free PDF. Make sure you sign up for that free PDF, absolutely free. We have also created a mini course.
How's it going, our Heels, Deals, and Wheels family? My name is Joel, and we're here at a property. We actually purchased this home several years ago, and we only paid $9,000 for the home. But what happened was, this park doesn't allow renting. So what we did with the family, we did an owner financing package and set that up for 5 years where they could pay the home off themselves, and this home will be clear and free theirs. All they would have to do is pay lot rent. But once they got into the 4th year, the family lost the home, they lost their job, they stopped communicating with us. So we had no other choice but to go to court and get the home back. So we just now got the home back, and we found a lot in another park that we're actually gonna move the home to, and they gave us a good deal. So we're gonna have to say goodbye to this park and this home because it was actually a nice park, and it's a really nice place, but it's time to go because we can't rent here. So now we're gonna move the home. So we actually had the movers come in today. These guys were here prompt early, and they got everything established so fast, like 15 minutes into it, they already had the skirts taken off and the back porch taken off. If you can see over to the side right here, we actually have a handicap ramp and porch for the family because their son was in a wheelchair. So we can't actually move this ramp. So we were looking for somebody else to take it, but we can't find any takers. So we're just gonna have to destroy the ramp, but we are gonna keep the ramp in the back. So if you want to take a walk back here, we can show you the side of the home. Okay, like I said, so we took the skirts off real fast. It was some garbage underneath the back. Underneath the mobile home, also in the back as well too, but we already got that already cleared out. And if you take a look underneath here, we're getting everything adjusted so we can take the mobile home out. These guys are doing a fantastic, quick job. And it's gonna be an easy transition to the next spot that we already have. So probably within an hour or two, we'll have this sucker on the road and ready to rock and roll. If you look over here, right here, this was actually a steel handicap ramp that they actually had in the back. And we're taking this with us, and we're gonna put this in the back of the mobile home that we already have. The mobile home lot that we already have set up. So we gotta get that set up real quick. So everything kind of got cleared out. If you look underneath here, everything was cleared out. Initially, it looked like it was a bunch of junk underneath there, but it's really not that bad as we initially thought. And if you look at this wheelchair ramp right here, this is actually something that you just take it apart and assemble it again. So we're definitely gonna bring this with us and have this reassembled at the next spot. This is actually a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The family lost the home because they couldn't afford to pay no more. They got 4 years into the home paying on it, and they stopped communicating with us. And like I said before, we actually had to take them to court to get them evicted, to get them out the house. And like I said before, this property doesn't allow renting, so we have to move it. We tried to sell it. We couldn't get exactly what we wanted for the price for the home that we were looking for. So we have no other option to move it because it doesn't make any sense to continuously pay lot rent and we're not getting anything out of it. So we're gonna move this sucker. The other part gave us a really good deal. So let's walk around the back so we can see what's going on back here as well too. And as you can see, they already got the wheels on the bottom of the mobile home, right? So they can drag it off. If you turn around and you can look at that truck, that's the truck that's probably gonna be dragging it right. And this is actually the owner of the company right here. And he's the one in charge of moving it. How's it going, sir? Good, this is right, he did a fantastic job. Him and his crew got here. They did it real quick and fast. And they already got this thing broken down. And how long before we move it out, you think?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Easy fix. Easy fix. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
All right.
All right. Like I said, this is a pretty nice community over here. It's just time to go because we can't rent. Other than that, we would have kept this mobile home here. Definitely would have kept this mobile home here. So there's a lot of homes in this community. I'm thinking probably more than like 300 homes here. if not more. So now if you can look underneath here, like I said, we already got the wheels underneath there, and that's the insulation. So we probably would have to replace the insulation in the back right here. It probably got wet, some type of water, anything like that. It's just over wear and tear over the years. But other than that, everything is pretty much solid. And here's some more skirting right here that we're actually going to take with us, you know, to the next mobile home. I know it looks kind of messed up right now, but once you put it on and you wash it down, it'll look just like new. So that's not a big problem at all. So if you come around here, you can see, look how much trash that was underneath that mobile home that we actually had to move out before we got to, you know, moving things, because the guy who was actually living here, his son was in a wheelchair. That's why they put up the 2 ramps. They actually put this wheelchair ramp up in the front and a wheelchair ramp up in the back. And I know it's going to be hard for them to find another place to live when you have a child that's in a wheelchair. So I know they were really disappointed with themselves with losing this home, because there's not too many places you're going to find this wheelchair equipped, you know, move-in ready. It was just one of the things where, hey, we was like, hey, let's get you guys approved, got them in the house, and hey, they was ready to go. So we didn't actually spend any money fixing the inside of the house up. Initially, he started working on the house. He did a good job of fixing the house up, but they slowly let it go. I think they had probably separated, and the wife was just here by herself with the son. It was in a wheelchair, and it slowly deteriorated. But they had some nice upgrades inside the house, but we went inside and cleaned the walls down, sanded the walls, put some tile down, and, you know, just try to make it, you know, comfortable so we could sell it at a decent price. I think we're actually asking $58,000, but everybody kept lowballing us, so we're just gonna move around. We really wanted little or nothing for the deck, but, you know, at this point, if you want to come get it, I know by the time we post this, it'll be too late, but this will be perfect for you to actually come have it for yourself or your loved one, somebody who might be handicapped, with a cane or in a wheelchair. This would be perfect for you guys. So it's not 100% actually fixed on the inside. See, we kind of did the basics in here. We laid some tile down on the floors, and we sanded the walls down real good. So it's really just up to really just kind of painting this sucker and fixing this tabletop right here, and everything situated. So like I said, we brought a lot of the skirts inside of the home. So we take it to the next location, they could just drag it along, and then we'll be good to go. So other than that, this is basically about it. Let me see if I can slide back here. This home was actually wheelchair equipped, so when you came inside this home, you could actually pull right up into the shower and see what was going on, and he could roll up in the shower and take a shower. So once we realized once we realized that nobody wanted to purchase a home when it was wheelchair equipped like that, we came inside here and we had a shower built right here, glass shower. It's like a stone and glass shower, and caved inside of there. So like I said, this won't take no time at all to get this sucker up and running. We just need to get it to his next location. Like I said, within a week or two, we'd be definitely good to go, and this sucker be rented out in no time. And we were going to take this down right here, but we're going to use this as an accent wall and just kind of paint over this real quick and, you know, add a little life to the house. I know it looks kind of cold. It's kind of dark because the electricity and the water is turned off right now. But like I said, when we do the following video, probably in a couple of weeks, you guys will see this will look like a totally different home. So.
Hi guys, this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. I'm sorry I could not be there with my brother for the move, but like you see guys, we are about to rock and roll. We're actually about to pick up this mobile home and take it to its new destination. You guys are not going to believe this, but the lot rent where we're taking this particular mobile home to is more expensive than the lot rent that it is currently sitting in. So why would we do that? The main reason why we're going to do that, guys, and my brother has told you this throughout the whole video, is that this park does not allow for renting. You are only allowed to sell or finance in this particular park. In other words, you can only allow an end buyer to buy the mobile home from you. And the end buyer is supposed to be paying you payments, just like a car payment, guys. No different. Okay. I want you to look in the description of this particular video. And guys, there's going to be a free PDF. Make sure you sign up for that free PDF. Absolutely free. we have also created a mini course. And in that mini course, guys, also located in the description, in that mini course, guys, we're going to be talking about creating mobile home notes. We're also going to be talking about finding tenants that are on Section 8 for your mobile homes. And then also, we're going to also be talking about finding mobile home parks that allow for renting. Okay. So we're about to rock and roll, guys. We're about to pick this mobile home up and take it to its new destination. If you want to learn anything about mobile home investing, you can contact me at 800-974-5580. We could do a quick, free 30-minute Zoom to see if my regular course or the mini course is something that might interest you. Again, contact me at 800-974-5580. I am so proud of my little brother. He did this entire move on his own. He set up everything. I'm so proud of him. Again, guys, this is Kelly and Joel Harden from Hughes Deals and Will's Mobile Home Investing Course. And we cannot forget about our mother, Albertine Thompson, who also drives for dollars on occasion and finds these types of deals. Join us soon, guys. We would love having you.
This is Hills, Deals, and Wheels. Okay, we finally got this mobile home moved to the park. We moved it from the other park. It took us about an hour and a half to actually get it here. We thought it would be a little bit quicker, but the traffic was crazy. And as you can see, I mean, this guy is whipping this mobile home up in there. And actually, if you look on the ground right there, that's the water spigot for the water and sewage. So he's trying to avoid that, and he whipped that sucker, man, like it was a Ford Escort. So he's actually doing his job, and they're going to take that down probably after they lay it down and use a little bobcat